Welcome to Prime Health Point, where you'll discover doctor-approved health tips, natural remedies, and wellness guides to feel your best. Magnesium deficiency. Why millions are suffering without knowing. Fatigue. Muscle cramps. Anxiety. You might think you're just stressed or tired. But what if I told you the real culprit is something most people don't even consider? Magnesium deficiency? Millions in the US and Europe are suffering silently, completely unaware their bodies are starving for this essential mineral. Today, we're exposing the silent epidemic you need to know about, and how to fix it before it wrecks your health. What is magnesium and why it matters? Magnesium is one of the most vital minerals in the human body, involved in over 300 biochemical reactions. It helps regulate muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and it's even involved in making protein, bone, and DNA. Despite its importance, studies show that up to 50% of people in the US and Europe are deficient in magnesium. That means half of the population might be living every day with low energy, muscle twitches, poor sleep, anxiety, or worse, all without knowing why. Why is magnesium deficiency so common? The biggest reason? Our modern diet. Processed foods, fast food, and over-farming have depleted our soil, and therefore our food, of this precious mineral. Even people who eat relatively healthy can still fall short, especially if they drink alcohol, coffee, or are under stress. Yes, stress depletes magnesium, and in today's fast-paced life, that's a big deal. Add medications like diuretics, antacids, and antibiotics, and it's no surprise magnesium deficiency is on the rise. Shocking symptoms you might be ignoring. Here's where it gets alarming. Magnesium deficiency mimics many common conditions, which is why it goes unnoticed. Are you constantly tired? Suffer from headaches or migraines? Have irregular heartbeats? Or struggle with poor sleep? Magnesium might be the root issue. Other symptoms include muscle cramps or spasms, tingling or numbness, anxiety or depression, constipation, high blood pressure, irregular menstrual cycles, insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Most people visit doctors, undergo tests, when the solution might be as simple as correcting a magnesium imbalance. Who's most at risk? Certain groups are especially vulnerable. Older adults, whose absorption naturally decreases. Athletes, who lose magnesium through sweat. People with digestive issues like Crohn's or IBS. Diabetics. People on medications like PPIs, birth control, and statins. Those under chronic stress, both emotional and physical. If you fall into one or more of these categories, it's time to pay attention. How to test for magnesium deficiency. Unfortunately, magnesium deficiency is hard to detect with standard blood tests. Only 1% of the body's magnesium is in the blood, so your test might say normal, even if you're severely deficient. The better option? Look at RBC magnesium tests or get assessed based on symptoms and dietary intake. Work with a functional medicine practitioner or integrative doctor who understands these nuances. Best natural food sources of magnesium. If you're low, food is your first defense. The best magnesium-rich foods include pumpkin seeds, spinach, almonds, black beans, avocados, dark chocolate, yes, really, bananas. Eat a variety of these every day. But remember, it's not just about eating magnesium-rich food, it's also about absorption. Magnesium deficiency might just be the hidden cause behind your unexplained health issues. You don't need to suffer silently. By understanding the signs, changing your diet, and taking action, you can reclaim your energy, sleep better, improve your mood, and boost your long-term health. Don't underestimate this mineral. Start today. Your body will thank you. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Prime Health Point for more doctor-approved health tips.